Jenna assembly session or the budget session is supposed to be called in the next few days, possibly in the month of March. Normally हे session July म्हयन्यान जाताले. So आमी स्पीकरा लागीं बरयतले उलयतले की हे session लांब जावपाक जाय. Minimum of at least 25 working days जे issue आमकां घेवपाक जाय ते इश्यू लोकाले डिस्कस करपाक सारखे हेजेर म्हाका दिसता एक डिस्कशन जावपाक जाय. तर आवाज तुमचो सांगात आमचो हो under this banner we are going to move. It is an outreach program which the Congress MLAs, the Congress party, frontal organizations, all of us will, I'm making an appeal, and we decide that the issues that needs to be highlighted, issues that need to be taken in the assembly, these issues there is a mobile number 7498254726 and एक email address connectwithgoaclp@gmail.com. This budget session is possibly the last budget session, after which we might have possibly another session for a small gap, small number of days. We are all going to go for election.